Hi there, my name is Bridget Mackay. I'm an attorney in Petaluma, California. I work in the area of estate planning, probate and trust administration. Today, in my video blog, I want to talk a little bit about inheriting a fortune or winning the lottery. What are the rules to follow if you find yourself with a ton of money? I mean, great, right? But there are things you need to think about. 3 things, in fact. The first must do when you inherit a lot of money or win the lottery is find out what your tax consequences are. Am I going to have to pay tax on this windfall that I've just gotten? I recommend you meet with a CPA or an enrolled agent that you trust. Let them know you're receiving a large sum of money and ask what their opinions are, because oftentimes a large sum of money is not always taxable. For example, if you inherit a large sum of money, that is not taxable as income tax. There may be other taxes associated with it, but not income tax. Whereas if you win the lottery or you go up to the new Great Rancheria Casino and have a big win, that will be taxable. So it's important to know that when you come into that load of money. And now you can afford a CPA, so you might as well take their advice. The rule is when you get number 1 rule is you don't want to mess with the IRS when you get a big ton of money, because when they know you have money, they'll look for you. The second must do when getting a lot of money is meet with a financial planner. You may want to run out and do your European vacation or buy that Maserati you've always been looking at, but you really should, before you do any of that, you should really meet with a certified financial planner, CFP, and make sure they are certified financial planners. Those folks have taken courses, have been tested, and given that designation for a reason. Find out how this money will change your life, because it will, I guarantee it. And do it before you quit your job or you buy that Maserati. Make it last. Take care of yourself and put your family first. The third must do when you get a big sum of money is to protect it. You have all these newly acquired assets. Go to an estate planning attorney and get your estate plan done. Make sure it doesn't go into probate at your death. Make sure you have designated someone who can manage that money if you become disabled. And protect your family and children so that when they inherit the money, they don't get taken advantage of by schemes or creditors, and try to minimize your inheritance taxes if possible. So for that rule, you want to pay it forward. Make sure your money doesn't outspend you, and make sure you protect it for the next generation. Have a good time, but make sure you protect it.